There's something magical about cooking outdoors. Whether it's a steaming cup of coffee at sunrise, a sizzling steak after a long hike, or a hearty meal shared with friends under the stars. But let's be honest, the right camping stove can make or break your adventure. A bad stove means cold food, frustration, and wasted time. A great one, it turns mealtime into a highlight of your trip. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best camping stoves for 2025. These picks balance power, portability, and reliability, so you can focus on the joy of the outdoors, not on struggling with your gear. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which stove is perfect for your next adventure. Number 5. Solo Stove. Campfire, best wood-burning stove. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Solo Stove Campfire, a game-changer for campers who love the rustic charm of a wood fire, but want efficiency and minimal smoke. This isn't just a stove, it's a portable campfire. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, the campfire's double wall design creates a secondary combustion, meaning hotter flames, less smoke, and almost no ash left behind. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it's surprisingly portable for its size, and it's large enough to cook for a group. Imagine simmering a pot of chili or frying pancakes over an open flame, without the hassle of tending a traditional fire. The Solo Stove Campfire nests neatly inside Solo Stove's cookware sets for compact storage, and it comes with a nylon carry sack. If you crave the ambiance of a real fire but need practicality, this is your pick. Number 4. Eureka Spark Plus, best ultralight butane stove. At number 4, we have the Eureka Spark Plus, a powerhouse in a tiny package. This ultralight butane stove is perfect for backpackers and solo adventurers who refuse to compromise on performance. The Spark Plus packs an 11,500 BTU burner into a design so compact it stores the fuel canister inside itself. No bulky propane tanks here. Just snap in an 8-ounce butane canister, and you're ready to cook. But don't let its size fool you. With built-in wind resistance and Eureka's precision simmer control, you can sear a steak or gently melt cheese for quesadillas. The adjustable feet keep it stable on uneven ground, and it fits pots up to 11 inches wide. Plus, it comes with a handy carry case. For under $55, the Spark Plus delivers gourmet cooking in the backcountry without the weight. Number 3. Jetboil Zip, best for fast boiling. If speed is your priority, the Jetboil Zip takes third place. This minimalist system is built for one thing: boiling water fast. With Jetboil's legendary flux ring technology, the Zip can boil 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, perfect for coffee, oatmeal, or dehydrated meals on the trail. The 0.8-liter cooking cup includes an insulated cozy to keep your food warm, and the lid doubles as a measuring cup. At just 12 ounces, it's one of the lightest systems out there, and it stores a 100-gram fuel canister inside. No fancy ignition here, just reliable, match-lit simplicity. The Zip is compatible with Jetboil's accessories, like the French press for coffee lovers. For solo hikers or minimalist campers who want efficiency above all else, the Zip is a no-brainer. Number 2. Eureka Ignite Plus, best 2-burner camp kitchen. Coming in at number 2 is the Eureka Ignite Plus, the ultimate 2-burner stove for car campers and groups. This isn't just a stove, it's a portable kitchen. With 2 independently adjustable burners and Eureka's ultimate simmer control, you can boil pasta on one side while frying eggs on the other. The burners deliver consistent heat, whether you're searing or simmering, and the push-button ignition ensures hassle-free starts. The wide cooking area fits 2 12-inch pans, and the rubberized feet keep it stable on rough terrain. It's JetLink compatible, so you can connect it to other Eureka or Jetboil systems for a full outdoor kitchen setup. If you're feeding a crowd or just love cooking gourmet meals under the stars, the Ignite Plus is worth every penny. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System, best overall. And now the crown jewel, our number 1 pick, the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System. This isn't just a stove, it's a revolution in outdoor cooking. The Genesis combines two 10,000 BTU burners with Jetboil's patented regulator technology, giving you unmatched simmer control and the power to boil a liter of water in 3 minutes. The included 5-liter flux ring pot and 10-inch frying pan nest together for compact storage, and the whole system weighs just 9 pounds. But here's the kicker. It's JetLink compatible, meaning you can daisy chain additional stoves or accessories, like a grill or another burner, to create a full camp kitchen. Imagine feeding a dozen hungry hikers with ease. From backcountry gourmet meals to sunrise pancakes, the Genesis does it all. If you want the best of the best, this is it. There you have it, the top 5 camping stoves for every adventure. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a car camper, or the chef of a big group, one of these stoves will transform your outdoor meals. Want to grab one? Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite camp meal? Thanks for watching, and happy camping!